It's a hybrid. I should probably turn the microphone around if I'm talking into it. Hello? Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, good day, good night, whatever. So today we're in the e-drive, whatever you call it, 330i thing, BMW, whatever. And we're gonna go get some espresso mocha bullshit.
You, whatever you want, some vanilla bullshit, latte, kappa thing, you know, whatever you got.
And then continue talking about this large battery, sort of. I don't know, hybrid, I guess, but we got that in, yeah, this is unorthodox. This feels wrong. This needs off. No matter what, it won't come off. It's frozen every time I turn the blades on. It's frozen in about 2 seconds. So we're gonna have to take. This is distracting. Some coffee, a car wash, and then we're gonna talk some shit. We're back in here. We got my coffee. Everything's all right now. I can't talk about cars. I can't tell you why your Instagram's getting engagement. I can't do anything. Extra Boost P. We're gonna go to Extra Boost R. We're gonna go to Extra Boost R. This guy, we got this thing because Starbucks decided it would be a great idea to put the line right. I don't know. The ergonomics. This parking lot are not good. Oh wow. Thank you, Mr. Mazda 3. Look at that. Look at all that space you got there. This is a cluster. Will the Prius let me go? It will. Thank you, Mr. Prius. I appreciate you. Thank you. Wow, it's like the first nice Tesla driver I've ever met in Bergen County. I'm sitting in traffic. Extra Boost in sport. And I guess this Subaru. Okay. Let's see if we got some baloney. Nope. Sell it. Like, I know I'm not being fair. I know this is a e-drive and I'm comparing it to, like, let's say the, I don't know, $90,000 M3 or M4 fully optioned with all the competition packages, except the carbon bucket seats. Screw those things. Those are very uncomfortable and I am a fairly average sized human being. Okay, I mean, I don't know if this would make a good daily because the seats are kind of meh. I don't know. The bucketed M4 seats are more comfortable than these, and it's concerning to me. I mean, it is and it isn't. I guess times are changing, but in the early 2000s and the mid 2000s, and pretty much all the sports cars that I had actual access to, all the sports cars with actual sport car seats were very, very, very uncomfortable. The M4 was just so comfy. It was so just plush. It just, oh yes, that was good. This car just kind of feels like a go-kart in comparison. And this e-drive thing is just kind of making me sad. I mean, no one's gonna let me over right now, are they? Oh, thank you, Mr. Jaguar. That was awfully nice of you. Yeah, that was a good little pep. Where everything gets very interesting on a Saturday afternoon. What do we got here? Trap S63 or Trap S550? Either way, it's a trap. How can you tell? That is not a real temporary tag. Oh my God, dude. Expired in March of 2021. See you later.
Yo, it's a cop. Fucking there, dude. When he was like fucking. What? I knew we were going to be inside for 2+ hours. I really honestly did not feel like leaving my car unattended in that lot.
I even called you about that.
I was like, I know parking's going to be an issue, but I made it happen. I just wasn't leaving my car out there. I'm sure you can understand that. It's going bye-bye.
What's going bye-bye?
The car.
What if I had to charge my car and now I can't unlock it to charge it?
This is the most useless Tesla I've ever seen. Charger. Don't they have a button on them? Or is that just Tesla?
I just looked at it. There's nothing.
Charger. Don't the chargers have a button?
I don't know. This electric thing. Like electric. What? We don't know how to use this stuff. This is out of my wheelhouse. That's the usual snack on the menu.
You didn't push hard enough. You gotta give it a lot of oomph.
Okay, so this is how you charge it.
Wow, it's even got color-coded instructions. There he is. There he is. I've seen a Lamborghini.
Oh wow. There's a mild nair, ladies and gentlemen.
It's got real leather. Yeah.
What are these things?
Heat sink.
Oh, I thought they were like Voltron flux capacitor
No, it's
thing.
all these knobs and whatnot, it's all for heat sink.
And this is the key deposit for when you return it. You got to put it in here. And,
Yeah.
Why is it steaming?
E-drive. Nair, can you explain to us what e-drive is?
You know, it just
They should have called it.
drive with E in front of
They
it.
should have called it P drive.
Actually, that brings me to my next point. The compartment is hot.
Yeah, so are the rear tires.
Thanks.
Did the car turn off?
Electric. It'll just run on electricity now.
This is the stupidest thing I've ever heard.
The Prius.
It's half Prius. It's half Tiger Shark tank.
Tiger.
No, it's like 20%.
But I wanted to show you.
Of course you
So we're in Hybrid Eco Pro. If you go to Sport, you got Extra Boost D,
Oh.
and then Extra Boost P.
You pushing P or?
Pushing P! Pushing P!
I'm pushing P. Pushing P.
Have where when you come to a stoplight that the car says F off and turns off?
Yes, yes it does.
because it's already off.
Yeah, no.
Well, I mean, it has it.
It'll already be here. Watch out, guys. Let's shut the
Right.
door.
Are we gonna push? We're gonna pull P.
No, we're not gonna pull P. We're gonna push it.
Allow me.
Okay, thank you. Okay.
Does it have the fucking
No,
closing?
no self-touch. No. First, and we're gonna go to
Oh my god.
It's so quiet.
It's like a UFO, like Tesla.
It feels. Are you enthused?
I like how it's quiet. Because all I've done.
Maybe we could charge it here.
That's a Tesla charger.
A Tesla?
Unless all the chargers are the same.
I don't know. I gotta probably not. I have to look though.
I was just.
That was just all electric. So we're in drive already. We're gonna go to sport, and then you're in extra boost D. So then it says maximum electric and combustion. Read that fast. I'm illiterate, BMW. Maximum electric and combustion engine power with dynamic vehicle setting. It puts everything together. The one, we're gonna get gravy train off the screen.
There you go.
Extra boost D, coolant temp, cool. So apparently it goes up to 320 horsepower is when it's in hybrid mode. Gonna slide it over to S1. This car probably doesn't have actual launch control. So
Are we just gonna resort back to the old OG launch control?
why don't you explain what the OG launch
The
control is?
old B and G.
Yep, that's
And
it.
then you just let off the B and you go G.
That's exactly it. So we're in extra boost S. Unfortunately, it's not P, but that would be for Park. So
Yeah, we're not-
Peter Parker, none of that today.
Oh dear.
Did you like that?
That was fun.
Do you think that would qualify as sufficient DAF material?
Yes.
Okay.
But there is one car that obviously reigns superior than this.
What would that?
The Tesla Plaid.
Oh, okay. Yes, I'll have to agree with you on that. That would be. I don't think this is.
That is my ultimate DAF.
Please explain to the audience what DAF is.
Well, we came up with this term a few years ago. For those that are not into the cars, gearheads, it stands for daily as fuck. That means that you will daily the shit out of that. Most of the year, definitely in the spring and in the winter. So
I was just having him explain what DAF means to the audience.
people, that is not a DAF. That's just a piece of poop.
Tell me what is again?
What?
What is your Daffy Duck?
DAF? What is a DAF?
Yeah, what's Daffy Duck?
You know what it stands for?
No.
Well, you guys aren't true gearheads. It stands for, I've told the audience already, daily as fuck.
And you just decided to just put that as just DAF?
DAF.
DAF.
With a D.
And when was this coined?
Yes, I can see that.
What was the date this was coined?
I guess now, because
This is a while ago when me and Chaz, we were all doing the valet. The launch and all that, 100% Tesla Plaid.
Ain't a Plaid.
Hey, it's my first electric car I'm digging.
It's closer to a Prius than a Plaid.
Well, you know,
Closer to a Prius than a base model Tesla.
it's got better pickup than my Jeep. GTI and whatever that is.
Lamborghini.
No,
That's
it's
the
not.
OG Lamborghini.
It's not a Lamborghini.
Then what is it?
It's a piece of poop. This thing's she's a workhorse. She's got almost 200,000 on her.
Guarantee you the e-brake does not work anymore.
E-brake, watch. E-brake, you know. If we want to pull the e-brake, we just that's it. I could still put it in drive and drive away right now if I wanted to.
It didn't work when we picked up the new GTI, and I drove this to your house.
And I'm sure that was many, many years ago.
It was.
I remember we drove around in this thing in the snow one night looking for Fetty Wap's house in Upper Saddle Road. He posted his quads in the snow.
I remember I got stuck in the middle of town, right? This is when Leanne had her Jeep. She tried pushing it, and this is where this dent came from.
By pushing it.
With the car?
With her Jeep.
Pushing P.
No protection or anything. She just went up behind it, started to push it, and
No
it dented
condom.
it. No condom, no protection, just straight raw dog. Special edition.
What's so special about this one?
Only special people drive it. Oh yes, I don't know. I'm not. He's a Toyota salesman, not me.
Yeah,
You're the one who's driving it.
that would make sense. I like that. The license plate shakes. It's got so much power, probably more than Jake's SRT.
Yeah.
Definitely, it's got only the racing stripes. I mean, racing fender.
Yeah, yeah. And then under the hood, we got a twin turbo 2JZ. Beat.
More likely, Jay-Z himself is under that hood. Yeah.
There it is.
Wow.
Yep. Battery looks like been changed about 10 years ago.
Wow. Homemade toothpaste. Look at that. What else we got here? It's high tech.
I don't know. But, and then
That looks like straight water.
I put rain in there, and now it went from yellow, orange to whatever color that is.
You put Rain-X?
I put Rain-X, the Rain-X. Dude,
Somebody buy this. Jake needs to get another car. Not that there's anything wrong with it, except for the fact that it's missing a supercharger. But make for a really good daily driver in downtown Detroit. Guaranteed to buy you 1 month before getting stolen, unlike the Hellcat that would only make it 1 week before getting stolen. You think that's actually frozen over?
you know, it's definitely worth a try.
Hunter's really taking this seriously. I can hear the lineup to the first race in the Fast and Furious. He's playing Gran Turismo on his center console.